Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will show you how to change your Snapchat best friends list. So what you want to do is you want to go to Snapchat and you want to create as you can see, I don't have a private store right now, so I'm gonna create one. So you can name it whatever you want. And then you can send it to your private Snapchat. So when you go to the top left corner, your profile, you can create another private story, or if you want to change the people who can view your private story, you go to these three dots and you can see viewers and you can tick off the boxes. So this is how you change your best friends list on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.